Hi everyone, Dylan Allison here with Hoosier Riverwatch, and welcome to our series of training videos on water quality monitoring. Whether you're a current volunteer or a potential new volunteer, these videos will serve as a refresher or an introduction. Let's dive in. pH is a measure of the acidity or alkalinity of a solution. It's a scale ranging from 0, the most acidic, to 14, the most basic, with 7 being neutral. Aquatic organisms are sensitive to pH, with optimal ranges typically between 6.5 and 8.2. Several factors can influence pH, including temperature, algae blooms, acid rain, and alkaline soils. To measure pH using the Hawk pH test strips, first, triple rinse the container and collect the sample from the main flow of the stream. Submerge the test strip in the sample and remove immediately. Do not shake off the excess water. Hold the strip level, pad side up, for 15 seconds. Match the strip's color to the closest match on the bottle's color chart. Estimate results if the test strip falls between 2 color blocks. Record the pH level within 10 seconds for best accuracy.